The Invincible reclining sofa group from HomeStretch features Reliapel next generation fabric. What is Reliapel? It's an easy to clean, scratch resistant and stain resistant fabric on a great looking reclining sofa group. Reliapel looks and feels like leather, but it's better than leather because it's so easy to clean. You can even use a Clorox wipe to remove mustard, ketchup, red wine, all kinds of things that'll happen in your home. The Invincible group features a drop-down table, console reclining love seat, rocker recliner, and 2 great fabrics, Invincible and Reliapel.